Hi, my name is GW Childs of GW4 and Soylent Eclipse. Recording Connection's got programs for pretty much anything that you could want to do in music. If you're someone who wants to write songs and then wants to be able to take those songs into a professional recording studio, be able to get around and be able to actually know people within that musical community and know what they're using and how they're doing it, it's got programs that facilitate that. If you're someone who wants to produce other bands, but also kind of wants to know how to do it for your own music, they've got programs for that. If you're someone that wants to work in a recording studio using all of the technology, all the preferred technology that everyone's already learned through trial and error that really works, they've got programs for that. The cool thing is that you're working with people, academic facilitators, as well as mentors in recording studios that really do and really have and really are currently working in the real recording industry using all of the technology and that are up on what's really happening. What's so cool about that is that as you're growing and learning with them, you're able to show them what you're doing and able to get a lot of what you're doing shopped through doors that you normally wouldn't have access to if you were coming in from like a regular recording college or something along those lines. I really love the Recording Connection because it's allowed me to meet other professionals in the industry that know what's going on and really have a pulse in what's happening in business. And as a result, I've been able to grow my own business and learn more about music as well from people who have like Academy Awards, Grammys, who are working in film as well as music, even video games. Thank you for your time and listening to what I've got to say about the Recording Connection. I really love the program and hope that you'll have a chance to enjoy it the way that I have.